if we will begin with immediate LCM step, we should be ready for degree 5 algebraic equation, and that equation is not going to be solved easily. So what we will do here, we have 1 over here, we have plus 1 over here, we have plus 3, we have plus 3, we have plus 3, we have minus 3, we have plus 5, we have minus 5. So 1 over x plus 1. If we will subtract 1 over here, then this 1 is going to cancel. Plus 3 over x plus 3. If we will subtract 1, then 3 minus x minus 3 will be in the numerator. That 3 and minus 3 we can cancel. Plus 3 over x minus 3. We will add 1. Plus 3 minus 3 will get over. Then we have 5 over x minus 5. And once we will add 1, 5 will be eliminated. In RHS we have x. Now we have to take LCM. So we will write here 1 minus x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 3 minus x minus 3 over x plus 3. Then we'll take LCM over here and we can write 3 plus x minus 3 over x minus 3 plus 5 plus x minus 5 over x minus 5. In RHS we have x. Now we can cancel plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 5 minus 5. And we can write minus x over x plus 1 minus x over x plus 3 plus x over x minus 3 plus x over x minus 5 equal to x. We can take x common and write in the bracket minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 5 equal to x. Now we have x in LHS, x in RHS. Instead of cancelling x from both the sides, I will take all the terms to LHS and take x common. So we will write x common out in bracket minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we will write two equations, either x equal to 0 or this is square bracket equal to 0. So our first real solution would be x equal to 0. Now we will write a square bracket. It is minus 1 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will add 1 to both sides so that plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled from LHS, and we will write minus 1 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 5 equal to 1. Now we will be using substitution. So let us say x minus 1, if this is equal to u, then we can write x plus 3 in terms of u plus 4. We will write x plus 1 will be equal to u plus 2. If we will write x minus 3, then this will be equal to u minus 2. And if we will write x minus 5, then we should write here u minus 4. So convert our equation in variable u. I will write minus 1 over u plus 4 minus 1 over u plus 2 plus 1 over u minus 2 plus 1 over u minus 4 equal to 1. Now we will put these two terms in one bracket and these two terms in second bracket. So we can write our equation 1 over u minus 4 minus 1 over u plus 4 in first bracket. Then we'll write 1 over u minus 2 minus 1 over u plus 2 equal to 1. Now we have to take LCM over here. We will get u plus 4 minus u plus 4 over u plus 4 times u minus 4, a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square. We will write u square minus 4 square, which is 16, plus u plus 2 minus u plus 2 over u plus 2 times u minus 2. Using difference of two squares identity, we will write u square minus 4 equal to 1. Now plus u minus u plus u minus u will get over. We will write 8 over u square minus 16 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 over u square minus 4 equal to 1. We'll take 4 common from LHS. So in the bracket we can write 2 over u square minus 16 plus 1 over u square minus 4 equal to 1. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So let us divide LHS and RHS by 4. So 4 over 4 is 1. We will write equation 2 over u square minus 16 plus 1 over u square minus 4 equal to 1 over 4. Let me write equation over here. Let's assume u square equal to a now. So we can write equation 2 over a minus 16 plus 1 over a minus 4 equal to 1 over 4. Now we have to take LCM once again. We will multiply both the denominators. So a minus 4 times a minus 16 in the denominator. Here we'll write 2 times a minus 4. So 2a minus 8 plus a minus 16 equal to 1 over 4. So we can write 2a plus a 3a minus 8 minus 16 minus 24 over a minus 4 times a minus 16 equal to 1 over 4. Now we will cross multiply and we can write 4 times 3a minus 24 equal to a minus 4 times a minus 16, which will give us 12a minus 24 times 4, 96 equal to a times a square minus 16a, minus 4a, minus 20a, minus 4 times minus 16 plus 64. Now we will take all the terms to one side and we will get one quadratic equation. A square minus 32a plus 160 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. I will be solving using completing the square method. So I need to subtract 160 from both sides first. We will get a square minus 32a equal to minus 160. Now we have coefficient of a. It is minus 32. Half of minus 32 minus 16 is square of minus 16, 256. So we'll be adding 256 to both sides. So RHS will give us 96. And in LHS, from these three terms, we can write this is a minus 16 whole square. A minus 16 whole square equal to 96. And 96 can be factored 16 times 6. Now we will take square root both sides. So a minus 16 will be equal to plus minus square root of 16 is 4, square root 6. Now we'll add 16 to both sides. So let us add 16 to LHS and RHS. Plus and minus 16 will get cancelled out. We are going to write a equal to 16 plus minus 4 square root 6. 4 square root 6 is smaller than 16. So both values are positive. So I will write here our substitution a. A was u square. So u square equal to 16 plus minus 4 square root 6. Now we'll take square root once again. U will be equal to plus minus square root of 16 plus minus 4 square root 6. Now we can take 4 common from inside. So it will come out as 2. So plus minus 2 times square root of 4 plus minus root 6. This is the value of u, and u was our substitution x minus 1. So we can write here x minus 1 equal to plus minus 2 times square root of 4 plus minus square root 6. Now we have to only add 1 to both sides to get 4 real values of x. So I will write here plus 1, plus 1. Plus and minus 1 will get cancelled out. We will write x will be equal to 1 plus minus 2 times square root of 4 plus minus square root of 6. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 real values of x, and fifth value is x equal to 0. So we have 5 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.